Oh my god, my heart's beating out of my chest. I'm all like...
I love VIITTA and I love the brand and I love her ethos and what she's trying to do with the brand. And
they can take an outfit from just like every day to like a little bit special, and every day you should feel a little bit special, so why not, you know?
I feel great, I feel amazing, empowered, ethereal, just like a badass really.
It's so sexy, powerful,
Strong and really confident, that's for sure.
I feel like a goddess.
Just like running across the desert, like gonna lead my troops or something.
I put this on and instantly I felt fierce, I felt powerful, I felt incredible, and walking that runway today made me feel $1 million.
When I put on VIITTA, I feel like the highest, most divine feminine version of myself.
And obviously you feel like a character. Some people think it's not really for like a festival wear, but I kind of find it a lot of reasons to wear it, you know, daily, I would say. Like it gives you that charisma, a character, confidence. I think it's really great. It makes you feel amazing, you know, and that's what I think we women need sometimes to feel good about ourselves, right?